Hey, this is Ray Dombrowski. Today I'm going to show you how to load Procreate brushes from your desktop computer onto your iPad Pro. I have some Procreate brushes here from my Gritty Halftone Spot Textures collection. When you download this item, just unzip it onto your desktop and you'll see a folder called Procreate Brushes for iPad Pro. You can drag that folder either onto your iCloud drive or into a Dropbox folder if you have Dropbox. So let me just take those Procreate brushes and I'll drag them over into a folder on my iCloud drive. So here we are in my iPad Pro. What you're going to want to do is have Procreate open and swipe up from the bottom and you'll see a folder icon here. Just drag that over to the right and make sure it docks in the screen like that. And you'll see your iCloud drive. You should also see Dropbox if you have a Dropbox account. But I put these files in my iCloud drive, so let's click on that. We'll go to our Vector Lab folder. Let's go ahead and click on that folder. Let's go into our brushes here, and what you're going to want to do is drag down until you can create a new set. The next thing you want to do is go select and then select all and then hold this down until it kind of highlights, and then you can drag all those over into your new folder. And these are downloading right now, so it may take you a second. Let's swipe that folder closed and we can go into one of these halftone brushes. So these are pressure sensitive. The other thing you can do is you can go into these brushes and go into your grain. And let's say you wanted these grainier or the dots to be a little bigger. So you can just scale that up and then now you'll see that brush is a lot grainier. These Gritty Halftone Spot brushes are part of my T-shirt design master collection, the largest bundle of T-shirt design resources, mock-up templates, textures, brushes, and T-shirt design workshops. To find out more, follow the link on this page. Thanks for watching.